XRP is not tokenized in order to make money as a simple trading token. Instead, it was made to turn the entire global financial system into a single world monetary system. Most people don't know that XRP is special because it was made to be used as a bridge currency as part of the Ripple Nets to Global Cross-Border On-Demand Liquidity (ODL) system. In the end, every country's legal currency will be digitized and live on the blockchain. The RippleNet protocol and its XRPL ledger were made to replace the current SWIFT global banking system. It takes only 0.00001 XRP per transaction, which is very cheap. Transactions take only 3 to 5 seconds and are more accurate and efficient. For instance, a business can send $50 million to another country in 3 seconds for $30. In the end, every asset will be turned into a digital file and put on the blockchain. All of the world's fiat currencies, like gold, silver, oil, gas, the global debt, and the global budget, will also be turned into digital files. Ripple will connect all of these global assets with the help of the XRPL ledger, which uses XRP and its decentralized exchange to instantly trade any digital purchase for any other digital investment, no matter what order. In other words, when the RippleNet protocol is fully up and running, it will be the internet for money. In other words, you will be able to send and spend money anywhere in the world without having to worry about what digital assets you have in your wallet. NCR, a national cash register company, has already made a POS machine that accepts all digital assets and converts them directly into national fiat currencies at checkout or when shopping online. Given how XRP will be used in the future and how important it will be, the government will eventually ban the sale of XRP in stores. At some point, the government will stop letting people buy XRP from stores. When XRP's real purpose is known, its price goes through the roof. Once XRP goes global as a global bridge currency, the price could go from $10 to $40,000 very quickly. Now, the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies has grown quickly to more than $1.7 trillion. NFTs will be worth $25 billion in 2021, $4 billion in January 2022, and other digital assets will be worth $75 billion. Staking and liquidity pools have also grown a lot. How should digital assets like cryptocurrencies be controlled? And how can this new technology help our economy and add value? XRP is only useful as an investment contract between an owner and Ripple. All token sales, including the secondary market, will continue to be a long-term stock exchange to fund Ripple's operations. This claim needs to be registered with the SEC. The action of the Commission is based on how the Supreme Court interpreted the 1946 Howey decision, which set a major precedent for figuring out if a deed is a security. Many investors' investments in Ripple may have been hurt by what the SEC did. Widespread forced buybacks for survival cause a lot of excitement, which should be talked about. The question is whether or not it's possible. Again, Ripple lets banks, payment processors, digital asset exchanges, and businesses send money internationally by using cutting-edge blockchain technology. International payments are made easier for 300 institutional investors, like Santander and Standard Chartered, through remittance exchange and real-time gross settlement. In 2019, Ripple sold over $500 million worth of its XRP, which helped the company grow and was bought by MoneyGram. These big moves with the SEC don't seem comfortable. As a result, the Commission opened an investigation into Ripple, accusing them of raising $1.4 billion through an unregistered exchange. The SEC has also put XRP in the same category as bonds and stocks, which means it has to follow stricter rules. Ripple has about $29 billion worth of assets in escrow, which is about 50 billion XRP. But a seemingly small tweet dropped a bombshell about this stash of cryptocurrency. The company may have to destroy everything even if it doesn't want to. If nodes, validators, and the whole community got together, would it be possible to burn 50 billion XRP held in escrow? And they can, because Unity thought it was a good idea. Later, Short said that this kind of thing could happen if the community could get a vote. He wrote that Ripple couldn't stop this from happening because blockchains for public use are so democratic. If the majority wants to change the rules, the minority can't stop them from doing so. It is important to remember that putting such a plan into action is not possible because it would need the support of 80% of network validators. A Ripple employee said that the company would not be focused on retail. You might be wondering why we have XRP when Bitcoin was made in 2009 and Ethereum and XRP were made in the same year. Individuals like American retail investors needed liquidity, and the first settlers wanted to come and test the waters. They were interested in how Bitcoin would look. They wanted to see what Bitcoin would be like when it became easy to buy and sell. Of course, people would lose money and make money at the same time. Over the last 10 years, Ripple's goal has been to have a utility token that is used to move value from one end to the other. We've come a long way since then. Insider trading is in the news, and there is a buyer for XRP as soon as its price goes up. So why do we keep XRP in the XRP? Ripple's market report said that there is a buyer for XRP on the secondary market, and that buyer plans to keep buying at the market price as OTL grows in the global fiat market. So they keep buying XRP at $1 to $6 as long as they can make money, and then they give it to their institutions or companies so that they can hold on to it when the price goes up. Many won't sell it for $100, they are going to hold on to their XRP until the price goes up. Because it is a utility token, once it starts going up, there is no way to stop it. Market capitalization looks at things that are useful and can't change much or have a big effect on market capitalization. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of blockchain-based technology company Ripple, tweeted that the company bought back Series C stock in December 2019 for a staggering $15 billion. Before the last rise, Ripple was worth $10 billion. One of the companies buying back shares from investors is Tetragon, which sued the tech company last year. Again, it's important to note that Tetragon, a major investor in the Series C round from the UK, sued Ripple in January 2021 to get it to pay back $175 million. According to a representative from Ripple Labs, Tetragon Financial Group's request to take over was turned down by a judge in the Delaware Chancery Court on March 5, 2021. The latest move also comes in the middle of a regulatory battle with the SEC, which is being watched closely around the world because it could affect how XRP and many other cryptocurrencies are defined legally. In December 2020, the SEC sued Ripple Labs and two of its top executives, saying that their sale of XRP tokens was part of an offering of more than $1.38 billion worth of unregistered securities. In response, the payments technology company told the SEC that it hadn't been given enough notice and accused the SEC of being unfair. When U.S. Court Judge Sarah Nett Byrne told the whole body to release the documents on January 13, 2022, it was a surprise turn in the ongoing dispute.